Welcome back to derivatives, page number 27. We are solving the solved examples first and then the exercises. So, very important sums from page number 27. This is our lecture number 13. 14 I think, last was the 13. So, example 6. In that first question, tan inverse of 4x upon 1 plus 21x square. This sum comprises only of 2 marks. Some of the questions on this are for 3 marks, but generally these questions are for 2 marks. So now some formulae you need: tan inverse of a plus b upon 1 minus ab. It is equal to tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B, and it is minus tan inverse of A minus B upon 1 plus AB. See the change in the sign, is equal to tan inverse of A minus tan inverse of B. In this, these two formulae are important. Though they are simple, we should remember this. So first of all, I will write y is equal to. Now here 1 is there and here it is plus. If it is plus, there above it should be minus. See, if it is plus, here it should be minus. That means, and this is the product of the two factors. So find the factors of 21 such that their subtraction is 4. So 7 3 are 21 and their subtraction should be 4. So 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4, and it has of course excess. So 7x into 4x 3x is equal to 21x square. So y is equal to tan inverse of the two factors are 7x minus 3x. Here plus, so here it should be minus, and check it, upon 1 plus 7x into 3x. 7 3 are 21, 21x square. So our adjustment is over. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of 7x minus tan inverse of 3x. Just make a practice and you will find that all questions in the board are very easy. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse 7x minus d by dx of tan inverse of 3x. That is equal to derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus x square, at the place of x it is 7x, so 7x square. It is not x, so multiply by the derivative of this 7x minus. Now the derivative of this also, 1 upon 1 plus 3x square into d by dx of 3x. So that is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 7 square is 49, 49x square into the derivative of this is 7 I will take out and take the derivative of the variable, that is x, it will be 1. So 7 into 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 9x square into 3. Therefore, the overall answer would be 7 upon dy by dx is equal to 7 upon 1 plus 49x square minus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square, and this is the final answer. Take the screenshot. So I will drop this. Now remember those formulae, don't forget the formulae. On the same base, second sum is there. Y is equal to tan inverse of 7x upon 1 minus 12x square. Now see, here it is minus, so above it should be plus. And the factors of 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So 4 3 that 12. So this will be y is equal to tan inverse of 4x plus 3x upon 1 minus 4x into 3x. So that is equal to tan inverse of 4x plus tan inverse of 3x. And the formula you know now how to differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 4x bracket square into the derivative of this is 4 plus 1 upon 1 plus 3x bracket square into 3, and that is equal to 4 upon 1 plus 16x square plus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. This will be the answer. So this was not a difficult sum, but there are two questions which are very important questions, and those I am interested in teaching. But without these fundamentals it was not possible. So I have taken the two sums of very basic. Now another two sums. Third one. Y is equal to cot inverse of b sin x minus a cos x upon a sin x plus b cos x. B sin x minus a cos x upon a sin x plus b cos x. Okay. Now it is cot. I can convert into tan. If I want to convert this to tan, this will get inverted. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of, because 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. Tan inverse of this will go up, a sin x plus b cos x upon, this will come down, b sin x minus a cos x. Now in this sum, what to do? In the earlier sum, here 1 was needed, it was given. See this 1 is needed, it is given in the earlier two sums. But in this sum, 1 is not given. So how to bring 1 here? Consider only that. Don't do anything else. Consider here how to bring 1. If I divide the same number by same number, then I will get 1. So I will divide numerator and denominator by b sin x to bring here 1. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of a sin x upon this b sin x plus b cos x. To this also I am dividing by this b sin x upon, here also b sin x upon b sin x minus a cos x upon, by this we are dividing, upon b sin x, this way. So if you want to write the reason, you will write the reason, dividing numerator and denominator by b sin x. Therefore, or orally also you can write it directly, but it is risky to do orally, because in the board if a single step is wrong, you will get 0 marks for that. So don't take a risk. Now this sin will get cancelled and I will get a upon b, plus this b will get cancelled and I will get tan of x, cot of x. Cos upon sin will be cot x upon, here it will be everything is going to cancel, so 1 minus. Here a upon b into cos upon sin is cot. Check it now. Here it is multiplication of these two, it is needed. Compare this to this formula. Plus tan inverse A, tan inverse B. Here it is minus and here it should be the product of A and B. See, here it should be the product of these two. It is there. So that means we are doing is absolutely correct. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of, this is tan A plus tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B. So I will write directly tan inverse of this A upon B plus tan inverse of this tan inverse of cot of x. This is our y. Now I want to take the derivative, but here you see this is cot and this is tan. I have to convert this cot into tan. I have told you in the earlier lecture that if I want to convert this into something, the ratio will change when pi by 2 minus something, pi by 2 minus theta, ratio changes. So y is equal to tan inverse of A upon B plus, this is the tan inverse and I want to write it as a tan. So to write it tan, I have to subtract from pi by 2 minus x and then this will be cot. So y is equal to tan inverse of A upon B plus tan inverse tan cancel. So pi by 2 minus x. Now I will take the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of A upon B my plus d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to A and B are the constants. So, derivative of tan inverse A upon B will be 0 plus pi by 2 is also constant. So, that is also 0 and minus derivative of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Hope that you have understood this, and this is a very important question. So take a screenshot and let me proceed ahead. Now the most important question for 3 marks. Sometimes it is asked for 4 marks also. Those who don't know how to split up the terms, for them this will be difficult. If you pay 100% attention, this will be the very easy sum and it comes for the exam. In that, the fourth one, y is equal to tan inverse of 5x plus 1 upon 3 minus x minus 6x square. This is that sum for which I was really waiting to teach you. In this, what I can observe first of all is I want 1 at this place. So this is 3. I can split it. So y is equal to tan inverse of this 5x plus 1 upon, I want to bring here 1. So I will make like this, 1 plus 2 minus x minus 6x square. Note this step. You can divide by 3 also, no problem. Or This also no problem. This is better. So y is equal to tan inverse of, here I want a plus b, and here this should be the product of a into b. That means I have to factorize this. This is a quadratic term. So 5x plus 1 upon 1 minus 6x square minus x plus 2. I have arranged this. This is the quadratic expression. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of 5x plus 1 upon 1. I will change the brackets now. Minus I am taking out, and here remains 6x square plus x minus 2. The sign changes. Now, as usual, I will find the factors of this. How to find the factors? 6x square plus x minus 2. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. Find the factors of 12 such that their subtraction is plus 1. Subtraction means one number should have positive sign, one number should have negative sign. So 12 is equal to 4 into 3. The bigger number is 4 plus 4 minus 3, and that is equal to plus 1. My purpose is solved. So therefore y is equal to tan inverse of 5x plus 1 upon, I am not touching the numerator at all right now, 1 minus, this I will make as 6x square plus 4x minus 3x and minus 2. Therefore, y equal to tan inverse of 5x plus 1 upon 1 minus, I will make the two groups and take a common. This can be divided by 2, this can be also divided by, so 2x is common. 2 3s are, and x is remaining, plus 2 2s are, means 3x plus 2. Now through this, what is common? Minus 1 is common. And then the signs will change this way. Hope that you are understanding this. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of, this is our standard 10 knowledge. 5x plus 1 upon 1 minus, now the two factors are 3x plus 2 and into another bracket 2x minus 1. So now my purpose is solved. I think I will drop this now. We have to make some place for this. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of, if I write this, here it is minus, so this is a into b, above it should be the addition then. So tan inverse of 3x plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 upon 1 minus 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 1. Now check it. If I open this bracket, 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. That means I am getting this once again. So I am right now. Therefore, this I can split now. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3x plus 2 plus tan inverse of 2x minus 1. Now I will take the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse 3x plus 2 plus d by dx tan inverse 2x minus 1. Now you know the derivative of tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus 3x plus 2 bracket square into the derivative d by dx of 3x plus 2. Okay. Plus 1 upon 1 plus 2x minus 1 bracket square into d by dx of 2x minus 1. So that is equal to 1 upon 1 plus, I will not open the bracket because I am not getting any benefit by opening the bracket. That's why I am keeping like this. 3 into 1, derivative of 3 plus derivative of 2 is 0, plus 1 upon 1 plus 2x minus 1 bracket square into 2 into 1 minus 0, derivative of 2x minus 1. So overall this is 3 upon 1 plus 3x plus 2 bracket square plus 2 upon 2x minus 1 plus remains 1 plus 2x minus 1 bracket square. So hope that everybody has understood. Bhokre, Ketki, Shide, everybody, just pay attention to this sum because you are the scholar students and you should not miss this sum. This is a very very important sum. Always it is asked, most of the times this is repeated question. So pay attention to this. Karan, I don't think there would be any problem now.